Planning is the system by which the use and development of land is managed for the benefit of all the community. At a local level, the system comprises three main elements: planning policy, development management, and enforcement. Planning policy sets out a vision at national, regional, and local levels for shaping the places where people live, work, and play, taking account of economic, social, and environmental objectives. Development management is the tool that delivers the policy, taking a project from inception to completion. Planning enforcement is the series of effective powers a local planning authority can take to prevent or remedy harm, to punish offenders, or to deter would-be offenders. Taking enforcement action at a local level is important because planning offences not only harm the environment, but in most cases detrimentally affect the day-to-day lives of ordinary people. At Ivy Legal, we offer our local authority clients a complete solution to planning enforcement problems by acting on their behalf every step of the planning enforcement lifecycle. We investigate breaches and issue notices, manage appeals, prosecute, obtain confiscation orders under the Proceeds of Crime Act, make and defend injunction applications, and take direct action on behalf of local authorities. Ivy Legal brings together the best planning consultants and barristers to offer a cost-effective, well-managed and highly effective planning enforcement service for our local authority clients. For direct action matters, we work with selected demolition contractors and builders. We are more than a law firm because we don't just advise on planning enforcement, we do planning enforcement. All of it. With the right strategy and mix of planning enforcement action, we believe planning enforcement could be entirely self-financing. We recommend a combination of prosecutions, POCA confiscation orders, and direct action to make this so. We're instructed by a local authority to commence a prosecution. We gather the evidence, prepare all witness statements, issue proceedings, and attend court to seek a conviction. Where we prosecute on behalf of a local planning authority, we always endeavour to recover prosecution costs by asking courts to make the highest possible awards. The largest potential source of income for a local authority planning enforcement team is confiscation orders under the Proceeds of Crime Act. The Home Office Asset Recovery Incentivisation Scheme incentivises local authorities to prosecute criminals and to seek confiscation orders under this Act that deprive criminals of the financial benefit they gained as a result of their crime. The scheme provides that the local authority can keep up to 37.5% of the money so confiscated. So not only are planning offenders deprived of the money they make as a result of their planning offences, but the local authority receives income for pursuing a planning criminal. By illustration, if a planning offender has been unlawfully renting out two properties for 5 years at £2,500 a month each, the benefit he will have gained could be up to £300,000, meaning that for planning offences at these two properties alone, a local authority could be keeping just over £110,000 in addition to its costs. We carry out the entire confiscation order process from the commencement of the prosecution right up to the making of the confiscation order. Sometimes direct action is the best option to remedy a planning breach, and in these cases we step in and take action on the council's behalf. Where we carry out direct action, a charge is placed on the land for the costs of taking the action, plus interest. This means that the council can exercise the power to sell the property, or wait until it is sold to receive its money back with significant interest. By strategically combining these and other actions and services, a local authority can work towards being self-financing. We are flexible on the instructions we accept. Some local authorities like to instruct us on a project basis, others instruct us case by case, and some prefer strategic advice. For individual instructions such as prosecutions, confiscation orders, appeals and direct action, our fees are fixed, so our local authority clients know exactly how much our service costs. To aid officers with budget control, we can include consultant and barrister fees in our fixed fee. We provide a unique service because we offer the entire planning enforcement package, and we work in partnership with local authorities to complement their existing resources every step of the way. Speak to us today if we can help with your planning enforcement needs by emailing us on information@ivylegal.co.uk.